new from Stormy Productions. See Storm Tack. See Storm Tack is quality, handmade, affordable tack for your model horses. See Storm Tack comes in a variety of different colors, styles, and sizes to suit all your model horses. See Storm Tack is made for play, display, photos, and videos. There is a wide variety of different tack from See Storm Tack. This includes rope halters, Western and English bridles, lead ropes and reins, bozels and hackamores, plus props and costumes for your model horses as well. See Storm Tack is fun and easy to use, and some tack pieces even include instructional videos on how to put them on your model horses. See Storm Tack. Fun, handmade, affordable model horse tack.